Hey everybody, welcome back to Creation Station. Thanks for stopping by today. We're going to be making in today's video. I already have my water portion right here. We're going to start adding everything one by one. My hot plate is heating up over here for my oil phase, but let's just get to it with the water phase. I did go ahead and warm up my distilled water just a little bit, just to help it dissolve the disodium EDTA, which is our chelator. We're gonna get that in there right now. All right, next in we are going to be putting in our propanediol. All right, let's put the water aside for just a minute. We're going to get our glycerin, and to our glycerin we're going to be adding some xanthan gum. This is going to help thicken it up, the scrub, just a little bit, but also stabilize everything. So we're going to make a slurry with our glycerin and our xanthan gum. All right, we're going to get that right into our water portion. All right, that is it for our water portion. We're going to set this aside and start working on our oil portion. All right, first thing we're going to be adding to our oil portion is our isopropyl palmitate. This is an emollient and improves spreadability and reduces tackiness. So that goes into your oil phase. Not to be confused with isopropyl myristate. This is the palmitate. All right, the next thing in is going to be our cetearyl alcohol. This is the champion of fatty alcohols. Next up, we're going to be using LotionPro 165, and the inky on this is glyceryl stearate and PEG 100 stearate. This is our emulsifier. The cetearyl alcohol is used for thickening, you guys. In case you didn't know that, I'm sure you already do. Okay, so next up we're going to be putting in some apricot kernel oil because we are making an apricot mango body scrub. And the last oil ingredient is going to be our vitamin E. All right, we're just going to get this right up on top of our hot plate here and let that start melting. Put it about in there so you guys can see. And we're going to leave this go and let this start melting. All right, this is pretty much melted. There's just a small little speck left down on the bottom, but the residual heat from everything else being melted will go ahead and take care of that. All right, this is pretty hot right now, so we're going to go ahead and let this cool down just a little bit before we add it to our water portion. Okay, this is cooled down enough, so we're going to go ahead and just put our water into our bigger beaker here. And then we're going to transfer everything into a bowl before we add our exfoliants, just so that I can have some room to mix everything. Let's give this a good stir now. You certainly could use your stick blender. So it's becoming a really lovely lotion at this point. And I still need to add my preservative and my fragrance. So we're going to do that now. We're going to go ahead and add in some Euxyl PE9010. That's our preservative. All right, we're also going to be adding some 1,2-hexanediol, and the inky on this, it's a blend of hexanediol and 1,2-octane diol, which is your caprylyl glycol. It's a preservative booster for the Euxyl. All right, and lastly, we're going to be adding our fragrance oil. I have a combination of course, apricot and mango, because we're making an apricot and mango body scrub. Let's get that into the pool. And then we're going to let this sit for just a little bit to have this lotion cool down, because I don't want it to be warm, because that's going to melt my sugar. But the last thing that we are going to add is our exfoliants. That's going to be apricot kernel powder and sugar. All right, so I am just going to go ahead and leave this sit for just a little bit to cool down, and we'll be back in just one moment for you guys. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and I've gone ahead and transferred the mixture into a bigger bowl so that I'll have more room to work in my exfoliants here. And so those are the last two things that we are going to add. We're going to add some apricot kernel powder and some white sugar. All right, it's kind of in a pourable state right now, so we're just going to go ahead and do that and get those into the jars. And then I like to leave it for about 24 hours and let it continue to thicken on its own. So go ahead and put this into a jar now. We're just going to leave this, you guys. I'll bring you guys back in 24 hours. All right, let's see how our sugar scrub is doing from yesterday. There we go. That's awesome. Now, if you guys don't want it to be this thick, add a little bit more water. If you want it to be thicker than this, go ahead and back off of the water just a little bit. The digital download of the PDF with the full written recipe and the instruction is going to be available up on the Patreon, so you guys can go over there and grab that. Eventually, when I get to it, it will be over on my Etsy shop as well as my website too. But this is the texture that you guys can look forward to getting. Adjust as needed, people. But that's pretty good. All right, that's going to do it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, would you? Consider subscribing. I'd love to have you over here. Make a comment, share it with your friends, do all those YouTube-y things, you know. Until we meet again, you guys. I'm going on vacation next week. We'll be gone for 2 weeks, but don't worry, content will still be uploaded. All right, peace out.